Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox Xbox Series S. So this one is $300 retail price. This is 512 gigabyte SSD. Okay, so let's look in the box. All digital, so this one doesn't have disk slot. Everything is for download only. "120 frames per second. That's pretty good. Includes console, controller, HDMI cable. Okay, so now we're gonna, that's this side. Okay, now we're gonna open it. How it is in the box. This part attached. Okay. This is the console. It's actually pretty small. It's, by the way, much smaller than Series X, because Series X is black and it can play discs. Okay. Let's see first what else is here. I have this paper. Okay. So controller works with the AA batteries. Yeah. And what else we have here? Over here. Let's see, we have HDMI to HDMI cord. Okay. Here we have power cord. So just like this goes to the console and this goes to power outlet. And here we have one controller. Let's look at the controller. And we have batteries. Looks like Duracell. The controller. Texture over here, very nice. I really like it. Buttons. Buttons over here. This click. This kind of like that. I have here USB-C. Another button. Here is where we put the batteries. Where we charge. Okay. Oh, okay. Hold on. Okay, I have. It feels really nice. Feels very good. And also I have a manual here. Microsoft. Now let's open it. So, just like this. There's the console. Here are holes for ventilation. You can see it's a ventilator inside. Okay. More ventilation and more on this side. So we have these four things here. So if you want to keep it horizontally, that's how it is. And or this way, I guess, right? Over here we have a button, USB. On this side, Xbox Series S, we have HDMI to USB. This is for internet. If you want faster internet, more stable connection than with the Wi-Fi. power and storage expansion. This come pretty expensive. Okay, so this box over here. So that's pretty much it. That's how it looks. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.